Prime Minister Andrew Holness says it could cost up to 150 million US dollars or over 20 billion Jamaican dollars to construct a new drainage system in the corporate area to end severe flooding after heavy rains. Mr. Holness made the disclosure in Parliament last evening in the aftermath of flooding from rains earlier this week. Here's TVJ's Andrea Chisholm with that story.
By all indications, the 2019 hurricane season will be very active. And with the Bahamas struggling to recover from Hurricane Dorian, which struck last week,
Jamaicans should be prepared.
But how prepared is Jamaica?
The Sandy Gully, right now, trees are growing, mountains has appeared in the Sandy Gully.
If these images on Sunday and Monday are anything to go by, it's obvious the drainage system is still unable to manage water from regular rainfall. That's despite ongoing road improvement projects like that of Hagley Park Road. Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips is the Member of Parliament for St. Andrew East Central.
My constituents are suffering from man-made water disasters. Communities adjacent to Hagley Park Road have been flooded out. Communities which did not suffer that kind of flooding before. And I would urge that we pay attention to some of the drainage patterns which would have been affected by the roadwork just recently done.
A master drainage study completed by the National Works Agency should solve such problems. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says it gives a comprehensive review of drainage systems across the country. The corporate area will get urgent attention.
We have now issued, have done the request for proposals for a drainage design for Kingston and St. Andrew. Hopefully they will go to contracting within a month, and the period of design will be about 6 months. So hopefully we'll have that ready in terms of the major drains that will need to be reconstructed or new drains to be put in for Kingston and St. Andrew.
It will form part of the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, which includes fixing drainage issues in the Marcus Garvey Drive, Tinson Pen and Maxfield Avenue areas.
You're looking at between 100 to 150 million US dollars worth of work in this area to correct it. And that is, as I've said, not a small undertaking.
Drainage systems in Maypen, Santa Cruz and Port Maria will also form part of the project. Mr. Holness agreed with Dr. Phillips that stakeholders such as engineers and residents would be consulted on the plans for an upgrade. Cabinet will consider the issues during a retreat next week. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.